Bafethu fikile ingceku kaNkuluNkulu nithetha ngoBrajo uSibanyoni. I-taxi boss yakwela cala laseMpumalanga ubonakala ingathi hayi umndena kwelicala lasePitori. Hayi efika nje ufika ke phofu usaphiniwe iMadlanga Commission into bayimani igama lakho like lavela nakwezinye zezichats liyavela kwaba bantu abakubonakala ingathi bangama questionable characters nako Gareth Mnisi kuma chats ubizwa into ba wena unumber 1 ithini into yakho hayi bafowethu akazi bakuthele nezabizwa unumber 1 but nje akekho associated ncam nemigulukudu yena uyazazi into ba yena nickname akayaziyo into ba yena unguJoe Ferrari Brajo Ferrari hayi ke phansi kwe lifestyle yakhe nje hayi ongena emxholweni hayi uyasichazela into ba yena wazalelwa kwiside laseKatlong ngithe xa sisho ndathi manje hayi ke weza nathi into bawaze wangathi wakhulela kwiside laseMpumalanga hayi ke bafethu inkunzi ethina amakhosikazi ayi3 futhi nje hayi awanakekela nje amakhosikazi wakhe umuntu nefamily hayi ke yena nje uyingceku kaNkuluNkulu akayishili leyo part leyo uba yena nje hayi ulikholwa elibelieve yapha kuNkuluNkulu hayi eze nathi ke ngoba indoda enama-taxi kwi-taxi industry in excess of about 80 taxis hayi i-director yeSantago bafethu umcimbi esithetha ngawapha ndithi sithetha ngeenkabi sithetha ngemali zamasokisi sithetha ngemali zamabhaketi sithetha ngama-AK47 ingadlangadla indlela yokubulawa ngayo abantu indlela yokubonakala engathi amapolisa wethu asondelene nemigila mkhuba hey bafowethu kayishiyanga already la farm yethu la headquarters yethu la farm katata umsibi ongasekhoyo hayi eze nathi hayi ke lapho phofu ukuthi uchilo nje bakunezinto akafuna ukuzigorekisha nje apha kwi statement sakhe before nje kuqalwa already ivelile into yoba uzawutika nje azitike kwi statement sakhe igrilling iquestioning akakazi ungena ncam kuyo phansi koba ke phofu usebhizi neyakhe icase okusamela into ba ahambe ayophendula izitholo zecase yakhe yeside laseMpumalanga hayi yena kubonakala ingathi nje indoda ezithandayo nje izinto ezi lifestyle nyana ezi hayi size naye hayi after echilo uyakorekisha ke ngoba izinto akazikorekishayo already uthe xa ke sithi ukorekisha into enokwenza nokumitha kwakhe uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi for the first time andazi babeke bhale ntoni but ke according to i statement esakasosikorekishayo into ba uqala kwakho ukudibana noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kwakungu 2020 kubonakala ingathi uphinde wadibana naye for the second time after kutshone utata umsibi lona but sizaza nayo sizayiva phethubeni lithini into yakhona hayi yena uyindoda futhi statement sakhe size refera nakwenye commission yokuthiwa yishongwe commission apha ingathi kwake kwadilwa khona noba ubungozi nale taxi wars le taxi violence ukubonakala into ba iyenzeka nje hayi ke into nokwenza nobucayi baleme kwakeze ngayo ubungozi nobunzulu bayo into ba nje zikhona izinye izinto akangazi ukuzithetha sokubonakala ingathi iyavela into ba imani ikhona information esensitive akangazi ukwazi nje ukuthi phecelezi ngoba ke apha uthatha imicimbi onokwenza nokubulawa kwabantu kwi taxi industry hayi in terms of into ba kujoinwa njani apha emaTaxini indaba zamasokisi into ba hayi imisokisi I think libhaketi lamasokisi lifocus apha kuma taxi drivers wona into ba ke bamane nabo bethela kulento okuthiwa emasokisi enye ke yamasokisi siyaziyo into yoba hayi bake bathi xa besidla nje imali betshontsha nje abelungu kuyibizwa ngoba imali yamasokisi nje kuyitshontsha nje ukuthi then bekhona ibhaketi lama into imali yebhaketi yona ingathi ngomaqhuluzu ke ngoku i-taxi boss ezizimali ezilahlela ubungozi bale bhaketi ke ngoku kulapha ingathi nabo bamane bethatha khona xa beyothenga inkabe ezajika zibulale abantu njoba kubonakala ingathi bake babulalane bebodwa so yinto akathi uke wayithetha nakulonye i-commission ishongwe commission hayi bafowethu esiza sizeza ngani kahle sezikhona nje indawo akazivezile ukubonakala ingathi ezinkabi zifumaneka khona kuthiwa hayi iKZN balasele ngeenkabi ezi lento ingathi udume kwelacala laseKZN kodwa nje ngathi sekukhona lo mkhuba lwana sowukhona nakwezinye indawo zibaliwe ke OGP oTsakani Olinesia South iAlexander Foslorus nabo bagqiba kungijoina apho noJimmy Steen hayi ke bafowethu uza nathi kakuhle hayi uyazithethela nje kahle indlela kaFasting ngayo xa kefunda istatement isakhe awuyandegqitha nami ndithi njoba ndizama ukufunda naye awuyanishiya bafowethu fast neMadlanga Commission itself ikithathe nje imizu ithi hayi kha ukubuyele uyofunda ST because indlela nje akafast ngayo kodwa ke uza enye into ethi uyakhala waqalela yena ukuncedisana nekhomishini into yoba inoba kwehlele taxi war okubonakala into bikhona phi apha taxi because bangaba ukhona nje ukungavisisani okanye competition ithizelo hayi bafowethu uyasuswa nje apho yona uyindoda nje already eseyidoje ukufa kabini uke wazanya ukuduyulwa ngaphambili. Okwesibini ke nathi siyaziyo futhi kakhulu yile assassination enoba enokwenza noVusi Muzikhet Matlala hayi uyithethile nje wanayo nje into apho ayigqibeleni uCommissioner Khumalo sekengenelela khona ebona into bingathi ufakwe ekoneni into yoba yazini kungenzeka into yoba ezinye zezinto uzazithetha kakuhle inoba in camera okanye kuma-affidavit njengoba kubonakala ingathi akazukwazi ukuthetha yonke into apha. This is after kune-message akathi yena wayithumelela uformer police minister Inunu uSodom noGomora apho wayecela khona into yoba makangenelele after kuvele lo mcimbi onokwenza nelifam nale headquarters into yoba hey ingathi le headquarters inobungozi thizeni njengoba kubonakala ingathi nje nayo ibingene nje kakhulu bikhona kakhulu apha ezintweni zama-taxi. So thena lo information leyo wahlaba umkholongwana kununu uba ngabe ununu yayimamele inoba abanye abantu basinda because le information kwa umuntu akathi wayithatha kuye ngumuntu ongasekhoyo ngumuntu noba kwayena osekesusiwe okanye wazithola ngendlela thizeni asiyazi but nje hayi sizayiva apha ethubeni into yoba i-testimony kaBra Joe Sibanyoni ithini ingceku kaNkulunkulu.
Thank you, Commissioner. My name is Johannes Madoda Sibanyoni.
Will you be swearing or affirming?
I'm sorry?
Will you be swearing or affirming?
Swearing.
Do you swear that the evidence you are going to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? If so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Shaskos.
Thank you, Chair, and good morning, Mr. Sibanyoni.
Top of the morning.
Mr. Sibanyoni, you have given us a very lengthy statement. I understand from Mr. Abrams that there are a number of issues that you would just like to correct in that statement before I ask you to confirm it. So can you take me through anything that you want to correct or change in the statement before I ask you to confirm it?
Thank you so much. The first one will be in paragraph 150, where it says...
Sorry, Mr. Sibanyoni, can you give us a page number as well so that we can just get there quicker?
With me here, I've just jotted down in terms of paragraphs.
No problem.
Yes.
I've got to page 52.
Yeah, in that one, what I wanted to clarify was me first meeting General Mkhwanazi. That was in the year 2020.
2020?
Correct.